Hey, it's Kyle. Welcome to another video. In September 2025, I traveled to Indiana to Hikerfest. Took us about 4 hours to get there from St. Louis with some driving on some really curvy back roads. You know it's a windy road when your dog pukes in the front seat and there's nowhere to pull off to clean it up. Fun times. Welcome, Hikerfest. Guess we check in here. I don't know where we check in. Camper check-in. Oh, it says right. All right, got checked in. Got the map here. We're gonna go straight down. Once we got checked in, it was off to find our campsite. We reserved an electric and water site on Hippie Hill. No park. The other campgrounds are smaller and do not have hookups. There were porta potties scattered around, but the main bathrooms and showers were located up by the main pavilion and stage. What site are you?
This is 149C.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Good. Okay, I think we found. Good morning from Hikerfest. We are here in Bill Monroe Campground Music Park. First ever Hikerfest, pulled in late last night, and there's quite a few hikers here. I think that there's supposed to be like 100 or so, something like that. Today is forums, and I think that there's a museum tour. I think they're doing factory tours, but yeah, gonna do a few tours myself. Hopefully we'll see some new exciting things, but stay tuned for a little bit more about Hikerfest. Every morning the hiker team provided refreshments to get your day started. Bob and the maintenance crew put on an awesome forum on annual maintenance needed for your hiker trailer. I recorded the whole how-to, and it's up on my channel if you want to check it out. It's got some really good info in it. They also held an electrical system forum giving an overview of the most common electrical layouts. They let the users ask questions about their setups. I did record this session but have not put it out yet. If you'd like to see it, please tell me in the comments below. Hiker also unveiled their new stand-up hiker called the Mainstay. Again, another dedicated video on my channel talking about the design, the layout, and all the details of the new hiker trailer. Hiker treated us to a barbecue dinner, which was excellent, and every night ended with some live music on the main stage. Thanks to the hiker team for a great weekend. Now for some trailer tours. Let's go say hello to Brian here. Brian, I'm live here. You want to say something real quick? This is Brian from DIY Outdoors. This is his hiker.
DIY Outdoor Life.
Life.
Outdoors like a deer hunting channel. But, so this isn't staged.
No, this is
a little
live.
Messy.
Hey Kyle, if you want the real story, you let me know. I'll come over and help.
Sounds like there's two versions of this story going on here.
There's always two versions of every story, but you know I'm an electric happy camper. I got electric coffee, electric scooter, electric air conditioning, but I don't plug in. So as you walk around, you see lots of gizmos and gadgets to make that happen.
Yeah.
I'm also doing the same thing as you.
Yeah, very good.
Good to see everyone.
Yeah. What is your favorite mod that you did on the hiker? You got a favorite mod?
Come on over. call it the Wizard of Mods.
Oh yeah,
Because,
yeah.
my buddy Sam Alt works on these.
This is a hefty duty.
But what we're doing is we're taking these 23-0 rooms and making them work in every condition. So this is a support on the place that breaks most frequently. But if you step back, you'll notice that my roof is peaked.
Oh yeah.
So there's a metal apparatus in there that we make out of paint poles. He does this for folks. He doesn't do the 23-0 rooms anymore. He asks people to get an ARB. It just works better.
Gotcha.
But that means even if it pours, it doesn't belly.
Yeah.
So all the water sheds off. But check this out.
Yeah, let's take a look at this inside because I think that there's some custom work going on here, right?
Yeah, so trimmed around the door, trimmed around the fender. You can drop the sidewalls, come in, out. You're stay out of the bugs. You can actually heat this room in the winter. You drop the walls and
Yeah.
turn the furnace on. So high ceiling now.
Oh, so tell me about these magnets here. What's
These
going
are
on
just
here?
rare earth magnets, but what's hard to see is that we use a paint pole system that Sam really invented from the ground up. He has, a hub in the center and it volts the ceiling.
Gotcha.
So from there, with a little ferrous metal, he snaps these rare earth magnets on, and you have a roof that pitches water and a little more headroom.
Gotcha. Very cool.
So other than that, things are just power mods on my trailer. I pretty much like what Hiker offers right from the factory.
Very good. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
Your channel again, DIY
Outdoor
Life.
A lot of folks look at DIY outdoors and they find white-tailed deer hunting.
Gotcha.
So.
We're going to put the link in the description after we're done with the video. So check out the link for Brian's awesome channel. I've been subscribed for a while. He does a lot of hiker and bushwhacker stuff. Great channel. Great channel.
Thanks. Great seeing you.
Yep. Oh, this is something I wanted to see. Hey guys, if you're new to the stream, we're just doing a quick walk around of Hikerfest here in Bill Monroe Music Park Campground. I like that Kelty on how it makes that third room. Very minimal stuff you have to do to, I think it's like a hatchback awning type thing. It's pretty cool. The ABR room. Is that, did you get the ABR room for the Wizard of Mods?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the new rain thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it done like a couple weeks ago.
Do you like it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty. We haven't had any rain yet, thank goodness, but
Right.
it's yeah, we really like it.
Good deal.
Have you seen the inside? Have you seen?
No, can I go on the inside?
Yeah, you can go around this one.
We're live on YouTube. So let's see what this looks like on the inside. Yeah, another Wizard of Mods.
Yeah.
Where
Just,
they trim in between the, yeah, it's
and then
great.
you can kind of see through here how his system works.
Oh, yeah.
Thing.
So we were over at Brian's and saw
Okay.
the,
I just talked to Brian this morning.
yeah, and that's what it looks like in the,
Yeah. And
What-
he's made a pole now where you can
Right.
you can do it yourself instead of having somebody hold that up when
Right.
you get the legs out.
and this here, it comes with this window already in it.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
And he's made it so that we just don't have them up there, but he's made it so that each of these legs has a magnet.
Yeah, I
If you were
saw the
taller-
magnets.
Yeah, if you were taller, you could put the magnets. We're not that we just didn't do it, but
Yeah.
there's actually you can put magnets makes it taller than.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
I love
Yeah.
how he puts it around the
Yeah.
fender and then he puts the snaps down
Yeah.
there. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, we live like 15-20 minutes from him.
Oh,
so
that's easy. That's
it's
easy.
kind of funny because he said, "Okay, just come and drop it off." And I'm like, "Okay, we'll just drop it off and come pick it up." So,
Very good.
but yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kyle.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Oh, that's right. I didn't recognize you. You're doing some. So these guys work for Hiker, and they're doing maintenance. That's one of the great things at Hikerfest is I'm live on YouTube here.
Yes, sir.
And you guys did a maintenance course yesterday that I'm gonna.
Wheel bearings.
Yep, that I'm gonna put on the channel. That's great. But you guys are doing just general maintenance. People signed up for it, right?
Yep. Yeah, he had a license plate like it went out on him. We were fixing it. We've got a mag span issue right here I'm trying to address. And we got a few other things.
Yeah, that's great.
We changed the door yesterday for the customer. And
What's the
I
hard?
actually remember to bring stickers to put back on the doors today.
What's the hardest thing that you've done this week? In a like a swap or a maintenance thing. Rear door.
Yeah, the rear door has been the hardest thing. The longest taking thing this weekend.
Yeah.
It still was only about 45 minutes to get it out and back in.
Gotcha. Good deal. Well, thanks for being out here and doing this. This is awesome.
Yeah, we appreciate all of our customers.
Yeah. Well, we love our hikers. We love the craftsmanship and all the time and effort that goes into it.
Lots of craftsmanship. That's all. It's all individuals that are, that built them. It's not like the cookie cutter. They're
Right.
all hands-on.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Especially our stand-up. Our stand-up, we've been on there for several weeks now. We've got lots of hours.
Yeah, we're gonna put that video out. The craftsmanship in that thing's pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Mastermind right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Hello, sir. How are you? I'm live on YouTube.
Oh, we're live.
We're live today.
Welcome to Hikerfest.
Yeah. What do you like best about your hiker? Put you on the spot.
Overall, just the portability.
Yeah.
Being able to go wherever, get off grid. We don't traditionally camp in campgrounds, so this is a little different.
Yeah.
But having that option to be free in the middle of nowhere,
It's great
no
to.
power needed.
Yep. No power needed. What's where are you going? Are you going anywhere after this? You're just gonna go back home.
After this, I'm heading back home.
Yep.
And then we'll be in the UP in 2 weeks.
Nice. The western side or the eastern side?
I think we're doing eastern side. I didn't plan it, so I just drive. The wife does that.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
No problem.
This was Matt and Wendy's old unit, right?
Correct.
Yeah, you told me yesterday. This is what year was this, do you think?
I think it's an 18 or 19.
It's
18.
yeah. It's amazing how like you couldn't tell that this was like maybe an 18 or 19. It's, not a lot has changed.
Besides the decal, I mean, that's a giveaway.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
But yeah, outside of that, I mean, overall, this pretty much did the same.
Yeah. Very good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.